Most affiliate programs pay pocket change. But do you know the 4 programs that pay $75 or more daily right now? While others chase crumbs, Smart Money follows the real payouts. You're watching the $1 Million Success Fine Prints, where we expose the strategies that actually work. Today, we will focus on 4 affiliate programs that turn side hustlers into serious earners. First, ClickFunnels pays up to 40% recurring commissions. One customer at $97 monthly puts $38.80 in your pocket. Every single month, they stay active. That's the power of recurring revenue working for you. Second, Mindvalley focuses on personal development courses that pay up to $500 per enrollment. When people invest in bettering themselves, you earn substantial commissions from their transformation journey. Third, eToro Partners taps into the finance market, where serious money flows. Each active trader sign-up generates payouts that dwarf typical affiliate earnings because traders invest big and affiliates earn accordingly. Finally, Shopify connects you with entrepreneurs who need e-commerce platforms. One store owner referral nets you up to $150, and enterprise referrals can multiply that reward significantly as businesses scale up. Here's the key to success with these programs. Focus on mastering one instead of spreading yourself thin across multiple opportunities. Pick the program that aligns with your audience and expertise, not just the highest commission rate. Which of these 4 programs matches your strengths and audience? Drop your choice in the comments and subscribe to the $1 Million Success Fine Prints. Success leaves clues, and now you know where the real money flows. Watch this next cool video to get a sharpened success mindset.